Welcome to Crypto Flywheel, the podcast where we spin up strategies to turn your digital efforts into unstoppable momentum. Now, let's get that flywheel turning.
Professor X, how's your day going so far?
It's been a long one today. I'm ready to get this flywheel in motion. How's your day going?
Oh, it's going good. It's going good. I had a kind of a busy day, but overall, it's not bad. Have you seen what's happening in Davos?
Actually, I'm glad that you brought that up. Yes, tell me. Well, I have been keeping an eye on the pulse, of course. What do you have to let our listeners know now? Let's go.
You know, Larry Fink of BlackRock openly admits that the public has lost trust in the system and it must evolve, right? So basically what they're wanting is they have a different agenda. So we need AML KYC without violating rights, right? That's their plan. So this is what I see. Our crypto flywheel is very much involved with the blockchain technology, right? And we've discussed so many different blockchains and companies that are building different types of infrastructures and utilization tokens and coins, right? So Ripple introduces programmable ZK privacy. That's not a coincidence. The new financial system will be built on public trust, powered by Ripple's ZK privacy infrastructure. Well, the World Economic Forum places blockchain at the center of digital identity, payments, governance, tokenized assets, and automation, right? So this is how the future will be structured. This is what I see. DNA protocol operates at the intersection of identity, privacy, and trust, the layer everything depends on. So DNA protocol is a blockchain-based project built on XRP ledger that focuses on anchoring genetic DNA data in a secure, privacy-preserving way. It positions itself as a foundational layer for biological identity using cryptographic techniques like zero-knowledge proofs, also known as ZKPs, and hashing to ensure users maintain sovereignty over their genomic information. This core idea is to transform raw DNA sequences into immutable, your favorite word, immutable, verifiable hashes stored on XRPL blockchain. So when I say XRPL, it's XRP Ledger's blockchain. What happens when your data is on the blockchain? It's not centralized, right? It's in a public setting, but it's not really public. It doesn't mean there's a central entity that owns your data. It's actually there's always a private-public relationship, right? So everything's not just completely public. There is always some sort of private company that's managing that public keys, right? So this creates a decentralized system where privacy is maintained, actual genetic data stays off chain and isn't exposed. Verification is possible without revealing sensitive details. So trust emerges from the blockchain, immutably consensus and individual ownership rather than centralized entities. So the reason why I went over the XRPLs, there's a new token that's being created called the DNA protocol, right? So the reason why I went over that is because Larry Fink's statement. Larry Fink said that the public has lost trust and the system must evolve. So just that statement alone just tells me that what their intentions are and where they're looking to move forward from here. Any thoughts on that?
Well, yeah. I mean, I also noticed that in that his post, he also says that there should be a general consensus in terms of blockchains that are utilized for the next phase, this financial ecosystem where the trust is lost. So everybody should be using one. So he's also hinting at the fact that there should be a overall one ecosystem. So it just shows, I mean, to further support what you said, I think that what they're saying is that, hello, guys, this ecosystem that we've been talking about is pretty much what I believe, in my opinion, is going to be the chosen ecosystem. And that requires the 8-part series that we did, so who knows? I mean, what are your thoughts on that, DigitalX?
Yeah, I think there's going to be multiple blockchain companies that are going to provide the service for this one large ecosystem that they're wanting to create, or that's already here but hasn't been rolled up and went live yet. So there's a lot of opportunities for different companies to thrive in this system.
I mean, I also think that there's going to be a lot of newer projects, but what I want to share with our audiences is that no matter what the projects and real world assets are going to be tokenized and everything that's coming on chain, we must understand that the ecosystem, if you're holding the actual coins that are facilitating this new asset class, the financial system, you really don't have to worry about anything else as far as what other tokens that are going to be built on these blockchains, right? These different distributed ledger technologies, right? If you hold the underlying asset that's facilitating all of that, you're going to get the gains regardless, and you're positioning yourself just to reap the yield from all this new on-chain activity. What do you think? What are your thoughts, DigitalX?
Yeah, you're definitely right. There's a lot of early adopters are gonna do very well because they have a vision. They see what's about to happen or what the changes that are happening currently, right? So when you're able to envision things before
it happens, you'll be able to be ahead of everyone else. What I mean by everyone else, I mean the institutions. Having said that, we are going to cut it short today and bring you more content tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Signing off here at Crypto Flywheel. Thank you.